In this video, we're going to show you how to install the turbidity sensor in your dishwasher. So to install our turbidity sensor, we're simply going to slide it onto the pump housing, slip it down into place, and then we just need to put the retaining screw back in. We just put our wires back onto the terminals. Now these terminals are the same size, and it doesn't make any difference which wire goes on which lead. Now that our wires are installed, we just need to put our drain hose back on. Just slip that and push that right down as far as it'll go on that turbidity sensor. And now we just bring our clamp up into place and secure it. And that's how easy it is to install a turbidity sensor in your dishwasher.